Hello and welcome. We are setting up our Docker host to use Docker Compose to install our multi-container application. In previous video, we already removed existing application, images, volumes, networking from our Docker host. Now, it's time to verify that do we have Docker Compose already in our system or not. And if it is not, we are going to install Docker Compose. So let's start. Here we have all the points related to installation of Docker Compose. First thing that you need to remember that we don't have Docker Compose along with Docker software. We need to install it separately. If you want to verify, you can verify by giving this command docker-compose -version. Right now, if you have any Docker Compose install, you will get version of this. I am not getting it, means Docker Compose is actually not installed in this particular system. As I told you, it is not added. You have to install it separately. Now here, we can download binaries from here, and we need to download this and then we can directly use this. So let's press enter. It is downloading the binary. We are just going to use binaries for Docker Compose. Once you download this, there is another command to give executable permission, and then we need to create a link over here. It is kind of, one process. Now it is giving me error, but it is optional. Let me verify that if I am able to run Docker Compose or not. If I am, then we do not need to worry about this. So here I got this Docker Compose version. It means it's okay. Even the command is failed, it is optional command, so we don't need to worry. And now I have my Docker Compose ready. As a part of our next process, we must have source code. Now here I have detail about how you can clone source code. But as you know that for previous videos, we already downloaded and cloned this particular repository and downloaded source code. So here if I'm going to give ls command, I have this Docker Compose already there. So I'm not going to clone this. Here we have all the step-by-step command. If you don't have this particular directory, docker-compose, you can follow this command and download all the source code from our GitLab repository. Right now I have this, so no need to worry. I'm not going to perform this particular steps. So now our Docker host is completely ready. We are going to start our mission from next video, and we are going to use Docker Compose this time to install our multi-container web application. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.